long weekend, more car parts. In this video, you're gonna find out what I got from Part Shop Max, and you're gonna find out the new wheel setup for the Z.
Now I see you in my dreams. No, I wanna wake up dreaming. I don't wanna wake up.
Alright, so you guys are gonna think I'm crazy with the front wheel setup that I ended up going with, but there's a reason behind it, and it's gonna look pretty cool. So on my way to go get the tires put on, and I even got a story about the tires as well, so stay tuned. So ever since I've been in California, I've been coming down to Discount Tire to get all my stuff installed. And to be honest with you, like, if you're in the San Diego area, Discount Tire on Chula Vista off Palm Avenue, that's the location to go. Always great customer service. The people who work here are absolutely phenomenal. They always take care of me, so go show them some support. Alright, so Discount Tire took a little longer to get my stuff, and plus I had to go grocery shopping and stuff yesterday, so I didn't get around to putting the wheels on. So we're doing that first thing this morning before it gets blistering hot. So as you guys can see from the thumbnail, that not only is she getting wheels and tires, but she's also getting new wheel spacers for the front. So let's get this going. Alright, so budget drift car build pro tip number 1, especially if you live in like an apartment complex or anywhere where you can't just leave your stuff like laying around like a garage. Make sure you match up all your bolts to all your sockets, because I just had to run down to O'Reilly's, grab another socket. After years of building and doing things to cars, I thought I had every tool I needed. Come to find out I was missing a 21mm for these wheel spacers. So yeah, don't be stupid like me. Alright, so after getting the wheel spacers on from Part Shop Max, getting the VIP Modular FF550s on the car, wrapped in the Accelera 255 35 18s, the car is looking much better, drives much better, and it's smooth and it looks absolutely amazing. So a little backstory on the Acceleras. I was having a hard time trying to find a good wheel that was decently priced that I could use for front grip. Reached out to Nate Hamilton. If you don't know who he was a ex-Pro 1 Formula Drift driver, and he decided to take a step back from the scene. Now he drives grassroots events, trying to help out grassroots level people, and he's just competing and just trying to improve his skills. And he's, if you've never checked him out, I'll send his channel linked below. Check out his series, Endless Search of Tires. But I reached out to him. He reached back and told me that Accelera was the best tire to get, the sports, and so I went to TireStreet.com. Also, that's going to be in the link below. He was also nice enough to give me his promo code 144, which is his car number, and in doing so, I only bought 2 tires because that's all I needed for the time being, and I ended up saving like $51, and so my grand total for 2 tires was $200. So you can't really beat that deal, especially because after using these tires, the grip on them is amazing. The performance and smoothness of them is amazing. So go check out Nate Hamilton's videos on YouTube. Go check out Tire Streets if you need tires. They don't only do like street tires, but they do autocross tires, off-roading tires. They even have passenger tires on them. And if you're trying to find a good tire that's not going to break the bank, definitely go to TireStreet.com. Also to use the promo code of 144, and you'll save quite a bit of money on buying your next tire purchase. But I just wanted to give Nate Hamilton the shout out. He's a dope dude, very personable, and he'll definitely help out if you reach out to him and need some advice.
Yellow creeping in the hearse, quick as they get in the dirt. I do not fuck with the earth. Hello, she's with the curse. Fuck, put them in the dirt. Yellow hit them where it hurt. Let them be dead in a coffin. I'm coming black dark like a brother in a church. Yeah, you get on my fucking nerves. I put your things out to work. Motherfuckers throw a chain, put a dirt on my name. I'll switch the blades, I'm bringing pain. Okay. Fuck, I'm a mess. Bitch, I'm the press. Let me the rest. They wanna test. Bringing the slaughter, straight out the west.
Alright, so this concludes the long 3-day weekend for most of you guys, 4-day weekend for me. I hope you guys enjoyed the new look of the Z. One thing about spacers that I failed to mention when I was doing them in the video, so I'm going to do it now, is after you put the spacers on, it's a good idea to drive at least minimum of 50 miles on them, pull the wheels back off, re-torque down the spacers, make sure you just added security. I plan on doing that. I haven't driven 50 miles on the wheels yet, so I haven't done that part yet. But just for you guys to know, so that way you guys are aware of it. Also, too, link in the description below for Nate Hamilton. Shout out to him. Awesome dude. Great guy. Awesome drifter. Go check out his YouTube channel. Check out his playlist, Endless Search for Tires. You will not be disappointed. He does some awesome stuff. A little secret, I'm kind of trying to model the Z after his 240, just because I love the way his setup is. Also, use his code on TireStreets.com. Get yourself some tires, save yourself some money. Hands down, some of the most amazing tires I've used, and they're really cheap for what you get. Also, don't forget about the giveaway. $10 you spend equals $1 back to me. Then I'll be able to do a giveaway depending on what's going on. Most likely I'm just going to spend my own money just so that way I can give some lucky subscribers a giveaway. Lowered Empire, use code ZenLife10. Buy $10 of product, $1 back to me. Every little bit helps, especially if you want a giveaway. So just remember, ZenLife10 is the code. Down in the description is going to be the coupon code for Lowered Empire, as well as the Instagram and the website, so that way you guys don't really have to search for it. ZenLife10. Once again, ZenLife10. I'm going to keep saying it over and over again. Awesome company, awesome shirt designs, awesome products, especially when it comes to stickers and air fresheners, as well as t-shirts. Then also, what am I forgetting? Oh, VIP Modular. Shout out to you guys. Awesome product. I love the wheels. Part Shop Max. Shout out to you guys. I'm going to put both VIP Modular and Part Shop Max's websites down in the description. If you did not see the last video of when I went to Part Shop Max to get the products that I used today or this weekend on the Z, go look at that video, go watch it. If you love the new look of the Z, smash that like button, turn on your notifications, subscribe, and guess what? I'm gonna go to bed because I am tired. It's been a long weekend. I did a lot of beaching. I did a lot of mods to the Z. I tried to live it up this weekend. I hope you guys had a great weekend too. Just remember, every journey begins with one single step.
Hey, blood don't make you family. I got brothers from different mamas and daddies. I got people who would kill for me, I'd kill for them. And we ain't never met, we just say what up on the internet. Shout out to anyone showing love in the comments. Just know I got you to the day they put me down in that coffin. If y'all got problems